Hello guys, welcome to this third video of this series, which is HTML5 guide for total beginners. Today we are going to cover text formatting tags, HTML styles and some interview questions about it. There are different tags available in HTML to format the text, like we want bold text or we want to include a code and so on. So these are the basic text formatting tags like B, code, emphasize text, italic, small, mark, strong, sub and sup, and then del. Let's understand each of these tag with practical example. So here we are at our code. So let's start. Suppose I use B tag. This is going to be a bold text. Let's compare it with paragraph and you will understand. Okay, let's open it in browser. Okay, this is paragraph. Let me just enlarge this so you will understand. This is paragraph text and this is bold text. Alright, let's say other tags also. Then we have I tag for italic text. See, this is italic text. Then code. Suppose I want to write some code onto the web page. I can use code. Okay, this is in some computer code, you can say computer language code. Let's see how it appears on the web page. So this appears, you can see the difference. You can see the difference between the text. Like let me just take it on next line. Okay, and you will understand the difference between the text. See, this text, this font is completely different from this font. So you can embed the code or you can write the code on document with the code tag. Then we have emphasized text. Let me tell you what emphasized text is. Let's just have a demo paragraph with a lot of text. Okay, here we can write em tag and we can include any of the text within it. Okay, so I have written a p tag and inside p tag I have this em tag. So let's see how it looks. See, here it is. So what text I have emphasized? This text, ipsum. So you can see this text is different than other text. This is called as an emphasized text. Then we have small. We can also see this is basic simple para, and we can have small tag. This is small text. Okay, here it is. Okay, something. I think I should remove this code, then you will get the idea. This code also and this para also. I'm going to remove this part, then you will understand the difference between paragraph and this small tag. Okay, so this is a paragraph tag and this is a small text small tag. Okay. Let's see what other this is a mark tag. Okay, let me show you what mark is. So this is a mark. You can see it is highlighted with the yellow background. This is called as a marked text. Then we have strong tag. Let me show you what strong is. This is strong. See, basically strong and bold works the same, but there is a difference between these two tags. Whenever search engine renders or search engine goes through your pages, it actually reads the tags and understand what should be inside or what might be inside the tag. So B tag only shows you or only tells that this text is bold, but strong tag also makes this text bold and also tells the search engine that this is something important. This text is having some strong importance. The difference between strong and bold. Basically, they both work same. See, they both work the same. The bold tag also gives you the bold text. The difference is uh, strong text tells that this text is having some strong importance than this bold one. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, then we have del. So some deleted text can be shown like this. You can see this line through. It is called as a del tag. So you can always go through this website Tutorials Republic and you can see text formatting and you can go through all of these tags. There's also meaning what each tag does. You can go through all the documentation. In one video it is not possible to go through all of these tags. You can always see there's this keyboard text, there's this sample computer code for defining a variable. There are a lot of different text formatting tags. Okay, now moving forward, let's see what are HTML styles. So we have three types of HTML styles. We can style the HTML elements with inline styles, embedded style, and external style sheets. Okay, let me show you what inline style is. Suppose I have this p tag. Okay, so inside p tag I can give an attribute, style attribute, and I can say color to be blue. So this is called as an inline styling of an element. Okay, let's see on the browser. See, it is blue now. Alright, this is called as an inline. Now there is another one style which is called as an internal style. So internal style is always defined within a style tag in the head section. Okay, so we can always grab the element we want to style. For example, I want to style this p tag, so I will write p in opening and closing parentheses. Then I can define the color to be red. Okay, let me remove this style. Now we will see the color of the text will be red. See, here it is now red. And the last one is external style sheet. So we need to create an external style sheet document. We will save it on desktop only. I will give it name style.css. We need to give the CSS extension. Okay, it is saved. Alright, so in the head tag we have to give the link, or we have to link that external HTML style sheet as link relationship attribute style sheet, then hypertext reference to be style.css. So it is basically placed in the same folder. So I have only given style.css. If it is placed in something else folder like css then style.css, then you can specify this part, but here I don't need to specify the part because it is already stored in the same folder. Alright, so I can write now. I can write the styles for this paragraph in external style sheet. For example, P, and I can say color to be orange. Okay, now see what happens. See the text convert, the color changes to the orange. So this is called as a HTML styles. Okay, we are going to cover the styles in very depth as we move forward. So here are some interview questions for you. Just go through all of these questions and try to find the answers of these questions. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye bye.